Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk on criteria of a good research problem. So what is meant by criteria? Criteria means a standard, a benchmark or principles of a good research problem. So this is the important question, important topic which has been asked in one of the question papers for 5 to 6 marks. So these are the criteria. These are the basic criteria. First is interesting, innovative, cost effective, relevant to the needs and problem of the people, relevant to government's trust, and measurable time and time bound. So first is interesting. So whatever the problem which is chosen by the researcher, it should be interesting and incentive. Incentive means it should be attractable, attraction and motivative. So here the problem should attract the attention of the researchers and other people who are in conducting this research project. And next is innovative. Innovative means the research, the problem which is fresh or which is original and which is unfamiliar. Though there is a replicability concept in the criteria of research problem. So though the replicability in conducting the research is allowed, replicability means which can be copied again or reproduced again. So it is advisable that a research the problem is having something novel. Novel means it is containing some narration or and that problem is original and unique to attract the attention of the people and to contribute the economic development of the country. And next is cost effective. So the good research problem should be economical and effective in solving the needs and problems of the people. Not only solving the needs and problems of the people of the society, it should also augment the socio-economic. Here augment means increase. It should also increase the socio-economic and health conditions of the people in the society. And next is relevant to the needs and problems of the people. So here the problem should be relevant, related to the needs which are having the needs and problems of the people. See, researchers must keep in mind that they conduct the research not for their personal aggrandizement. Aggrandizement means a reputation of the people who are going to research on the problem of the people. They should not keep on mind for the purpose of their reputation, but to solve the needs and problems of the people. And next is that the problem which has chosen that should be relevant to the government trust. See, a research problem must respond to the government trust. For instance, for example, government's trust is on waste management, right? Now the government trust is on waste management, or you can name it as war on waste. So now the investigator, the researcher should conduct a study on the waste, right? And next is measurable and time bound. See, a good research problem is measurable by using research instruments. I told you in the class statistical tools, SPSS, SRS, those are all the statistical tools and equipments which are all needed to solve the problems and to arrive at scientific and meaningful results, to meaningful conclusion. So these are all the basic criteria of good research problem. And more criteria of good research or scientific research is, first is the purpose of the research should be clearly defined and common concepts be issued. Firstly, the researcher should clearly define the common concepts, name of the research problem and the tools which are used. Those are all can be clearly defined. And next is the research procedure should be described in sufficient detail to permit another researcher to repeat the research for further advancement. So, if at all the researcher one who has done the research before, he should maintain the procedure level. So the researcher two, the upcoming researcher, he can repeat those steps and for further advancement. And next is the procedural design of the research should be carefully planned. So what are all the researcher will keep the data that should be in a procedural design for the objective. And next is the researcher should report with complete frankness. Here flaws means weak, if any errors. Frankness means a direct input or output. Flaws means here errors or any weak problem that should be designed in a procedural to estimate what? To estimate their effects upon the findings. And next is the analysis of data. What the analysis is done by the researcher, the data should be sufficiently advocate. Advocate means it should be enough or sufficient. It should be sufficient enough to reveal its significance and the methods that are used. And the validity and reliability should be checked carefully before making the conclusion. And next, conclusion should be confined. Here confined means limited. The conclusion should be limited or restricted to those justified by the data of the research. And these limited conclusions are the data which is in advocate basis. Here advocate means which is in a sufficient or enough manner. And next is greater confidence in research is warranted. If the researcher is experienced, has a good reputation in research and is a person of integrity. So for all the researcher who is going to do research on a particular research problem, he should be warranted only when he has some experience, he has some good reputation, and he is having the knowledge of that particular problem. So then only the person has some integrity. So the criteria of good research we can state in other words also. Firstly, good research is systematic. See here, when the good research is systematic, is it means it should follow all the steps of your research process. What are all the steps you have in the research process that should be followed by this good research? When then only we will call it as the research with whatever the researcher has chosen, that is systematic. And next is good research is logical. Here logical means the particular problem should be logical, that is meaningful, and it can be usable for the further advancement. And here comes one point, that is 2 points, that is induction and deduction. Here induction means introducing, means bringing into, and deduction means which is removable. Here in the good research, when it is logical, we can do induction and deduction. Here see, induction means the process of reasoning from a part to the whole, and whereas deduction is the process of reasoning from some premise to a conclusion which follows from the very premise. So next is good research is empirical. Here empirical means verifiable, which is experimental. So this implies that research is related basically to one or more aspects of a real situation. So I told you that empirical means which can be verifiable or experimental. So taking a real situation and doing the experiment on particular problem. So this deals with concrete data. Concrete data means which can be reusable for external validity to research results. And last one is good research is replicable. Here replicable means which can be copied and reproduced. So this characteristics allows researcher to result the replicating study and building the sound basis of decision. See, by good research, while good research is replicable, it means when we again perform same research results on same, there comes your good research which is replicable. Thank you.